Hey guys, welcome back to another fun episode of Learning with Fun Gloves. Today's fun gloves are green with, whoa, look at all the colorful diamonds. Pretty cool. The reason why we have all these colorful diamonds is because we have these colorful stacking rings with animals on top and numbers on the bottom. Will you help me stack these and put them in order? All right, let's do it. This awesome stacking ring here, 1 through 10 with different colors. And we have all these animals and rings. So we have to match the rings to the number and the color and the animal color. Okay, let's try it out. The first one is 1, of course, and it looks like red. It's like a reddish orange. We'll pop that right there. And look at that, it's a snail. Creepy crawly, creepy crawly, creepy crawly, slow, slow, slow. He's a happy little snail. We'll put that on the 1. There we go. There's our first one. And the second one looks like an orange. Let's see, we need to find an orange. There's 2 oranges for the number 2. 1, 2, and we have a orange duck. Quack, 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 quack. Orange duck. Number 3 is a yellow. Do you see yellow rings on the table? That's right. And we need how many? That's right, 3. 1, 2, and last one makes 3. And let's see, what's yellow on the table? Buzz, 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 little yellow bee sits right on top. Look at that. So far we have 1, 2, 3, and we have a red, an orange, a yellow, and a snail, a duck, and a bee. All right, number 4 is like a lime green. Let's see, do you see anything that looks like lime green? That's right. And how many do we need? 4. Good job. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the animal that goes on top is a green turtle. Slow, slow turtle. Slowly but surely, he gets to where he needs to be. All right, number 5, halfway through. Let's see, looks like a, kind of like a dark green or a regular green. That's right, you see it, don't you? There's the dark green. And how many do we need? 5. All right, let's count them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And let's see what's on the table. That is a dark green. He's hopping on the table. That's right. It's a froggy. Ribbit, ribbit. Hello, Mr. Froggy. Hop, hop, hop onto the top of your number 5 rings. All right, so let's see what our next one is. That looks like, kind of like a turquoise. So let's try and find some turquoise rings. Oh, I think I see them too. That's right. Good job. And how many do we need? 6. Count with me. 6 rings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the last one makes 6. Good job. It's Mr. Owl. That's right, Mr. Wise Old Owl. You sit right there. So next is number 7. And that looks like a dark blue. Blue right here. And we need 7. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the last one makes 7. Look at that. It looks like that matches. Does that match? Bloop, 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 bloop. Mr. Blue Fishy. Swim, 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 swim right on top. 8. And number 8 looks like a light purple. That. Right there. And how many do we need? 8. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. Good job. There's 3 animals left. We have a pink cow, a regular purple bunny rabbit, and a light purple squirrel. Yeah, that matches. Little squirrel right up top. We're up to 9. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the last one is 9. All right. Which one do we need? A pink cow or a purple bunny? Which one? That's right, a purple bunny. Boing, boing, boing. Next one is our pink number 10. Count with me, 10 pink rings. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one is 10. All right, and Mr. Pink Cow, right up there. Good job, guys. You counted 1 through 10, and you stacked all the rings to the right color, and you put the animal with the right color of rings and the number. To recap, we have a red 1 snail, a 2 orange duck, a yellow bee with 3 rings, a green turtle, a light green turtle with 4 rings, a green frog with 5 rings, a turquoise owl with 6 rings, a blue fishy with 7 rings, a light purple squirrel with 8 rings, and a purple bunny rabbit with 9 rings, and last is the pink cow with 10 rings. All right, good job, guys. You did all that all by yourself. Give yourselves a hand. Thank you so much for helping me. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.